Tesla evolution. 2008 Tesla Roadster. The spark that started it all. 2012 Tesla Model S. A game changer that proved electric luxury sedans could outdone supercar. 2015 Tesla Model 8. Famous for its futuristic wagon doors. 2016 Tesla Model S. Upgraded with a sleek, grilleless front design and revolutionary autopilot system. 2017 Tesla Roadster. The next-gen hypercar claiming a mind-blowing 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. 2020 Tesla Model Y. The compact SUV that quickly became the best-selling vehicle in the entire world. 2021 Tesla Model 8. Re-engineered with a sci-fi yoke steering wheel. 2023 Tesla Cybertruck. 2023 Tesla Model 3. That modern refreshed ultra-quiet cabin, sleeker light and upgraded range. 2025 Tesla 3. Shaking up global logistics. A massive electric pickup built for ultimate cargo power. 2027 Tesla Robovan. A steering wheel-free autonomous van. 2027 Tesla Cybertruck. The ultimate vision of autonomous travel.